Hi guys, I am Isa. Today, we're going how to make a number guessing game using Golang. Anyways, so first I'm gonna write package main. Then I'm gonna import the libraries I need, which in this case are fmt, strconf, and maths / rand for random. Alright, so we're gonna say func main. This is gonna be the main function. So I'm gonna say fmt.print. No, first I'm gonna make the random number. So I'm gonna say correct and gonna use the you can use this thing that allows you to we're gonna use the dynamically typed version to create the variable. And so let's say rand.intn. And so after here we have to write the maximum number that we're gonna have, which is gonna be 100 in this case. Alright, so I'm gonna say fmt.println correct as. Was that strconf imported not used? I mean, for now we're not using the strconf library, so I guess we can remove it for now. 80, 29, 14, 24, 57. Yeah, it's always to read the number from 1 to 100. So I'm gonna say for true. So basically just using this like how I would use a while loop. Because like weird like that. I have to use for true instead of saying while true, but whatever, that's just how it is. Alright, anyways. So in this for loop. So I'm gonna say fmt.println. What is your number? No, not what's your number, what is the number? And so I'm gonna say var guess. It's gonna be an integer. I'm gonna say fmt.scan. And here I'm going to use the pointer for guess, because that's how scan works. So now we could do that. Yeah, for some reason it does this weird thing. I keep saying less number many times, but we're gonna fix that soon. This piece of code. Let's see. Oh, not that piece of code. So the piece of code I'm gonna add. It's gonna be if guess is greater than correct answer. So if the guess is greater than it, I'm gonna say fmt.println too big, and else if guess smaller than correct answer, fmt.println too small. Now let's try it. So the number number is 35. If I 40 is too big. If I 80 is too big. If I 1 is too small. If I 3 is too small. So the original number is 35 because I put it here. 34 too small. 36 too big. But 35 it says nothing. What's that 35? We wanted to break the loop. So we're gonna say else. Because if these two conditions are fulfilled, then that means that it's the original number. So I'm gonna say else fmt.println the number is plus. So this is where we're gonna need strconf. strconf.itoa. Probably means it's a string or something. So here I'm going to add corrected. Oh yeah, also the exclamation mark. Can't forget the exclamation mark. What's the number? So if I write 73 is too small, 75 too big, 74 is gonna say number 74. But that's what I was gonna ask you what's the number again. So we want it to, like stop. So you're gonna add break. It's gonna break the loop. So it says 84, 89, 86, 84. That's number 84, that's it. Is that finishing touch? Good to add. Is there a particular correct answer? I'm just gonna put something like number guessing game. Right, so what's the number? If I try 50 is too small. So 60 too small, 70 too big. So no that. So number 65, we'll try again. It's 10 too small, 90 too big, 40 too small, 50 too small, 60 too big. So now I know that the numbers between 50 and 60, so yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing that. Number was 59. But anyways, that's gonna be the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.